Okay, this one just demonstrate create a VM in the Azure cloud. So basically, once you log into those portal, you will see this interface, the portal interface. So you have this navigation menu, and you can pick up what you need. So our goal is create virtual machines. So here you can go here, create virtual machines, or you can pick up virtual machines here. Okay, so let's go, and we see the existing virtual machine is already here. So I'm going to create a new one. So this one is pick up your subscription. So whatever you have, this one allow you to them to build together, and resource group allow them share the same life cycle permissions. If you have some of them already probably, and you are always allowed to create a new one. For example, if you can say production servers. Okay, so you can create one, and machine name, we're going to create a Ubuntu. Begin with machine name, yeah, not special characters. Okay, so SRV yeah, it's a long name, whatever. So region, you can pick up your region here. You can pick up, okay, availability options. So we don't pick up any availability functions. So image, we can pick up image. So because I'm going to use the Ubuntu, so we'll pick up. And here you can choose the size of the server. So this is the cost of the server. Every monthly 4 gig max okay, so the different specs. Okay, so RAM, memory, and so that's 2 gig, 1 gig. Yeah, we pick up a small one, we can change it later. So the password authentication, you can use password or SSH public key. So let's try to use a password. Give a password. At least 12 characters. Okay. Login with Azure. No. So select a version worker. Public inbound allow. So we can allow particular port. We can probably just simply pick up one, but we can change it later. Next, disks. Okay, so which hard drive you want to use? So maybe I can choose standard HDD or SSD, doesn't matter. So then next, this is a network, production server network, default subnet, public IP, basic inbound HTTP. Okay, so next, management protection. So I guess you can leave those default as it is. Auto shutdown. Okay. extensions, tags. I think we will leave it as it is. Review. Okay, so we are ready to review this VM and create. Okay, so we successfully finished creating wizard, so your VM should be ready in 1 or 2 minutes.